it's your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and look who's back with us, Kayla.
Hi.
This is Kayla's second visit, and she came in here just really excited today to tell me how she did after her first visit. Would you mind sharing with our YouTube fans how you did after your very first adjustment?
Yeah, I feel fixed, like completely fixed. I had a couple herniated discs in my neck, and the day after I was a little sore, and then the next day I just felt like I was completely healed. No medicine, no nothing, and everything.
And they had
feels
been
good.
giving, you'd been taking a lot of medicine that they
Well,
prescribed. They prescribed a lot,
yeah, they
though, right?
prescribed a lot of like naproxen, ibuprofen, take the Medrol pack. I was gonna do the injections right before I came to see you, but I was a little apprehensive about that.
Yeah,
so I
good
wanted
thing
to try
too.
this way. Yeah, and I can't believe like how many people are telling you need surgery, you need this, and all I had to do was see him the whole time, and I wasted lots of money doing MRIs, and I saw 10 million doctors, and all I needed was him. And I feel good. I'm less stressed out. Like, I feel open-minded and
Lighter.
not foggy, lighter. I feel good, like
Good.
really good.
Well, thank you for sharing that with everyone. I'm happy for you too. That's what we're here for.
Yeah, and I really, really appreciate
Oh,
you.
thank you. I didn't have to pay her too much to say that. Okay.
No, I feel good.
We'll name this I Feel Great, So Can You. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards.
Okay.
And then back to neutral. Because that's what a lot of people don't understand about chiropractic is that we are a natural type of pain management. As where when you go to a medical doctor with pain, they're going to give you a prescription for pain pills and muscle relaxers and inject you and do all kinds of things.
Packs.
Well, that's why we got such a huge opioid epidemic in the United States right now.
Yeah.
It's because of that. Okay, let's come over here. And we're going to have you lay on your back here. I got some big new padded pins for you. This will be a lot more comfortable for you.
I'm actually not
Slide
scared
up
today.
just a little bit. There we go. Perfect.
Oh boy.
Yeah. It's not you, it's the pins.
Got it.
No, it's not that. It's just this with those other pins in there. There we go. Good. You're not gonna get one, are you? Just let these legs relax. You know, a lot of times people come to us as a last resort as opposed to using us as a first resort. Like you said, you know, you spent thousands of dollars doing all these other things that didn't help you. And then one visit, you're already feeling better than that, and it didn't cost you even close to what that was. That should have felt better on your hips, though, not as painful. Good.
Yeah, they're in tighter this time.
Let me get this one out first.
Oh. Nobody knows how good this feels, though. It feels good. I was so scared the first time.
Alrighty. Good.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, they heard that one out over at the Hyatt.
Oh my.
Yep. You'd be leaving here clear-headed again today.
You have no idea.
This clears your thinking up, it clears your senses, your smell, your taste, your sight, everything. Let's set you up here now. We'll come over here on your tummy. Oh boy. Legs are even, that's a good start. That doesn't tighten up too bad either, does it? Okay, let's put these here. You'll feel your low back popping up just a little bit. If you scoot up in that hip piece just a little bit. It's your right SI joint. Your sacrum right down the center of your pelvis. And your left SI joint.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just breathe. That girl. Okay. Perfect. Tell me if this tightens up at all. Great. Okay, go ahead and slide up in here just a little bit more for me, please. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. You know, chiropractic is the largest drug-free natural pain relief healthcare system in the world. Let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up.
Oh.
Atta girl. That's it. Adjust your clavicles and then your anterior ribs. Perfect.
Ooh.
Okay. There we go. There we are. Super. Okay, now let's just set you up and face that way, please. Good girl. That's it. Perfect. I'm waiting for my guy to come in and adjust me today, too. I'm going to a TCA meeting tonight here in Houston. If I can't get my adjustment today, I'm going to see if somebody will adjust me there before they drink all the wine. Atta girl. Okay, let's come over here. Stand right here in front of the mirror again. Okay. So we're going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again. Oh boy, that's full range of motion there.
And I'm not even cracking.
That's great.
Yeah.
Hold these guys up and back. And then we're going to bring your head straight like that and like that. Okay, you're going to feel a little tap. I turn this down. There and there. Okay, now relax and try that again and see if this feels even smoother.
Oh, yeah.
You on a swivel?
So.
Your head's going to be hitting the top of the roof of your car.
Oh, you just have no idea how good this feels.
So, I feel great, so can you. That's our slogan here at
Yes.
Advanced Chiropractic Relief, right?
Yep, absolutely.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where everybody feels great when they leave here. See y'all soon.
Bye.